Hi there everybody. So our smoker is going very nicely. We have a small amount of coals down here and a piece of wood to provide the smoke. So we close the little door, and then we also have a what they call a deflector. Currently it's just a steel plate just for testing purposes, but it will be a ceramic disc hopefully. And then the lid. Now here's the air intake hole. I will be adding a chimney pipe kind of thing for the intake so that it can draw its air. And there you go, ding dang do. So let's just see currently what is the temperature, because yeah, it's coming up to smoky Joe's. Looks like 100 degrees, I'm not sure. Have a fantastic day.